Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your Sunset Ford virtual video walkaround. This is the 2015 the Ford Mustang. Stock number is T20529A. And on this virtual video walkaround, we're going to show you this Mustang up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. Now take notice of the passenger exterior, absolutely flawless. The GT edition, of course. And make our way around, we're going to put you right in the driver's seat. Warranty protection for life, oil changes for life. That's only at one place, and that's at Sunset Ford. Take notice of the interior condition, absolutely no rips, no tears, no stains. Fully loaded, low miles, only 23,000 miles to be exact. You know she's not going to last long. Call, email us, or text us for more information and availability. Better yet, come on down and find out what everyone's talking about at Sunset Ford. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.